there's an event today that's highlighting data showing just how much math education matters, not only in schools, but higher education and the business community as well. And joining us for a preview is Susan Dawson and Christine Bailey from E3 Alliance. Good morning.
Good morning.
So Susan, I kind of want to start with you and kind of talk about what you're seeing and what it means right now, because we're not producing enough college graduates with STEM degrees to kind of meet the job demand that's going on, right?
That's exactly right. More and more jobs in our region require science, technology, engineering, math preparation, but we're finding is only about one student is produced with the right skills for those every 6 jobs that's out there in STEM fields. And it has a lot to do with, are they taking enough mathematics to prepare them? Recent changes in education policy, it's called HB5, you've probably heard about that, offer more pathways for our students to take different career-oriented courses in high school, which is great, but also offers options for them to take too little mathematics in order to prepare them for those jobs that are out there.
Exactly, and they need to have kind of the skills, these math skills.
Absolutely.
Christine, I know this might seem like a no-brainer when we start talking about this, but you know, you've kind of have some hard evidence that points to the fact that school math choices really do heavily influence kind of how many students go on to get these degrees.
That's right. What we know is that math matters, and what we want to show you is an attrition model that our research team has come up with. What we know is when we look at students coming into 9th grade in 2004 and we follow them 10 years later, what we know is that only 1 in 5 will complete their college credential, and that's an associate's degree, a vocational, or a bachelor's.
If they've just taken Algebra 2.
Yes, if they've just taken Algebra 2. Now for those students that take one more math class, which is pre-calculus, they will have better outcomes all along the educational pipeline and into career entry. For students that take one more math class after that, which is AP mathematics, their college completion will be 3 times higher than those students only taking Algebra 2.
So it just goes to show even taking one more class
so we
can make a difference,
Math
right?
matters, and parents need to know that. Counselors need to know that. Business community needs to know that taking that additional math is going to have a much better chance of preparing them for the jobs that are out there. So that's what we'll be talking about today at the Thompson Center.
Yeah, and you know, kind of what is the goal of this? And maybe it is with the parents. It starts maybe with the parents and teachers and staff kind of encouraging the students, right, to kind of take these classes.
It's to understand what the jobs are out there, but also what's the preparation and the skills that you have to be able to be prepared for those jobs. And again, what we tell each other is math matters.
Yeah, I think we can't say it enough, that's for sure. Ladies, I really appreciate you being here this morning.
You're
and
welcome.
We do want to let you know today's Math Matters presentation, it starts at 10:30 at the UT Thompson Center. Anyone is welcome to join, and we do obviously encourage it. Again,
Thanks,
thank
Alicia.
you. Yes, I appreciate it, you guys.